AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2025, sometimes fail to disconnect when placed in their charging case, or the auto ear detection malfunctions. This leads to battery drain and connectivity problems. These issues primarily stem from software bugs and, less frequently, hardware faults. Interference, poor fit, or dirt buildup can also cause problems. The Auto Connect feature relies on the H2 chip and Bluetooth, while auto ear detection uses optical sensors. Apple has released updates to address this, but problems can still occur, especially with certain apps or in noisy environments. If your AirPods Pro 3 are not disconnecting, start with basic troubleshooting like unpairing and repairing via Bluetooth settings and cleaning the earbud sensors. To fix AirPods Pro 3 disconnection issues, first ensure your AirPods and iOS are updated to the latest versions, currently iOS 18.1 or later. Force restart your AirPods by holding the setup button on the case until the light flashes amber, then white. Disable spatial audio in settings AirPods, as this feature can sometimes strain the H2 chip. For auto ear detection problems, ensure the earbuds fit properly and clean the sensors. If problems persist, reset your network settings or consider using Apple's diagnostic tools. Note that some third-party apps, like Spotify with equalizer settings, can interfere with Auto Connect. Try switching to Apple Music or disabling the equalizer as a test. If these steps don't work, a hardware fault might be present, warranting a warranty claim.